Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and to do it press and hold the upper button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through this menu and look for the brightness option. It should be one of the options right here. Once you find it, you can tap on it, and here you can select one of the, or choose from the 3 levels of brightness. So select the level you like, and once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back. You can also change the brightness through the settings. So if you open the menu, you can tap on the settings icon. In settings, you can scroll down and look for the option called the system. And once you find it, you can tap on it. And in the system menu, you can tap on display. And here you can tap on brightness. And again, you have 3 levels of brightness. Select the one you like, and then press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust or change the brightness level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.